coincidentally was also the motto of Rita Fardunk's political party, Safe and Secure Society. Indeed. So let's find out who the nominees are in this category.
In the category Safe and Secure Society, the nominees are Sensara Home Care Lifestyle Monitoring, Mindkafon Drone, The Great Bubble Barrier, No More Ransom, and BioWatch.
We chose the innovation that will make the greatest impact to our global safe and secure society, and that was the Mindkafon drone.
Mindkafon drone. Once I see the description, it makes me want to make fun of it less. That's fantastic. Congratulations to Mindkafon drone. And we move forward to our next category. It's a phrase that used to be a contradiction in terms. It used to be an oxymoron, but now thankfully it is not, because our next category is clean and affordable energy. Let us hear the finalists in the category Clean and Affordable Energy.
In the category Clean and Affordable Energy,